We're Cindy and Eddie.
Join us as we squeeze the day
At the Taj Mahal. If you want to know where to get to the booking counter, you go to the East Gate and follow that sign. It'll take you back there. This is what the ticket counters look like. You can do cash in either one of these. If you want to jump the queue, you can use this app here. It's also a good way if you don't want to be carrying around a lot of cash. You can also do a little bit of shopping here if you wanted to get yourself a souvenir. This is the Taj Mahal entry. Looks like there's a little bit of a line. Now it looks like it's really busy, but they do have a different entry point for foreigners. They have different ways for men and women to go in. So I'm going on a men's side, Cindy's going on the women's side. After a quick pat down, go through the entryway. There are a couple rules you want to follow. That's right, we have the chance of seeing some monkeys while we're here. We have seen monkeys in the wild in the past.
We have.
And we enjoy that. I hope you're going to enjoy looking at this Taj Mahal with us.
And by wild, we mean their natural environment. This is really not in the woods or anything, but we might see some monkeys today.
Along the way, they have some historic pictures of the Taj Mahal. This is one of our favorites. A lot of people actually enjoy looking at these pictures. And of course, if you had a guide, they'll be able to give you a lot more information than I could. You're gonna turn left and go inside. This is the East Gate. You can see everybody's coming in right now. They are also leaving over there. That is a pretty big doorway.
Heading over to the main gate. This gate is massive.
And as you can see, there are a lot of people standing here trying to get the best shots they can get of that fantastic view. I really don't blame them because we're trying to do the same thing. Cindy is definitely going to take a rest and enjoy this for a little bit. And I'm going to join her. While everybody else is walking up the center because of the great view, we're going to take a walk around the side of it because it's shaded. I just saw this. Looks like they have a baby care room. And if you happen to be doing what we're doing and you want to learn a little bit more, they have a lot of information in there. I hope you didn't think I was going to tell you about this and not actually give you a little bit of the information. This is not just about the Taj Mahal either. This is about a lot of the stuff that's happening right here in India. Might be worth exploring for yourself. So take the time to check it out. And if you continue along the left side of it and go just a little bit around the corner, they have a museum here. So we're gonna go inside, check it out. I don't think we're allowed to film, but we'll get what we can get. And if not, we'll tell you all about it. That is really incredible. So there's a lot of history there, but it talks about the making it, including where some of these semi-precious stones came from in the building process. Definitely worth a visit.
Yeah, step in there and check out all that information. It was really interesting.
Plus, it's air conditioned. So if you need a break from the heat, go there.
And it gives us the information that we needed before we head into the actual building.
We kept our eye out for monkeys but didn't see any. What we did see is a couple of really cute chipmunks. And by a couple, what I mean is there was a lot of them. Is that Alvin, Simon, or Theodore? It's like literally coming up to my leg. That's how close he was. See, this guy's standing up. I might get attacked. Well, that was a fun little break, but let's get back to the tour. We're standing next to the Taj Mahal and enjoying that view. It is pretty incredible to actually see. What do you think? You think that's as beautiful as we think it is? This is a point where some people are not allowed to go, but we paid the additional 200 rupee so we can continue on and enjoy the rest of this. And as you can see, upkeep is a continuous process, so that's really good to know. I don't know what that is. Before we're allowed to go into the mausoleum, we have to get shoe coverings. They look like this. We didn't know that beforehand, so we had to go all the way back, and there's about 30 people in front of us now. But now we're going in. Thank you. And there you go. Now we are allowed to enter the mausoleum. Okay, so no more cell phones. I don't know if that means we're not allowed to take pictures, but this is the view we're seeing as we enter. We have our shoe coverings on, but now we're going in. Come up, and that is your entrance. This is the view. We took this picture and posted it to our community tab, Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't know we had those, go check them out. What we did is we just came out of there and we're heading out towards the river. This was the only place that didn't show a do not record sign. So I wanted to show you what it looked like in there real quick. But this is the view we're coming out to. That's pretty incredible. Everything in there is made out of marble, and they have a couple of crypts in the center. There was a couple of people that were filming in there and then they got yelled at. I think that's the only thing that would have happened. We don't want to risk the possibility of losing our phones, so we're not going to take that chance. And this is some of the marble that's on the outside. Looks just like the stuff that's on the inside. So you don't have to worry about filming in there. It's all available outside where you can film responsibly. And Cindy just pointed out that this part right here is like honeycomb. It's a honeycomb shape, but it's made out of marble. So it's all etched or chiseled out. Have you ever seen anything like that? So this part is to the left. It's gated off. They don't want anybody going that way. I'm gonna walk over to the corner where we can see the Yamuna River, which is pretty high from all the rains. It is currently rainy season, even though it's not raining right now. Do not sit on the railing. If you really want an awesome view, all you gotta do is look up. We are certainly happy we came to visit Taj Mahal today. We're going back over towards the front is. Lucky for us, there's some shade here as well. So we're gonna enjoy that for a minute. And Cindy found a cute spot to sit and relax. I like it. Just a little bit further, that's the entrance we came in. I say a little bit further, that's way out there. If you got the shoe coverings, they go in that bin over there. This is for shoe coverings that get thrown away. And as much fun as it is to walk up that center, we're staying in the shade again. On our way out, we took a couple minutes to enjoy the architecture, and we recommend that anybody who comes to visit take the time to enjoy it as well. Not only because you have already spent the money to get in here, but the architecture here is pretty amazing. And the grounds are really big, so you could spend an entire day here exploring and not waste any time. Even though we didn't see any monkeys while we were visiting the Taj Mahal, we did see monkeys while we were visiting India. And there are plenty of monkeys throughout India for you to see, as well as many other amazing things. In our next video, we are on our way to go visit the capital of India, New Delhi, and we look forward to being able to show that to you as well. Because it is a major city, we think that there's going to be a lot to see and do.
Get this guy out of the picture. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you.
Stay tuned as we continue to travel around India and the rest of the world. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you can continue to follow along with us as we continue on this adventure.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.